morning from the beach. It's a lovely day. They've put all of the sprinklers on the grass except for the ones that would hit my tent, so I better get packed up pretty quick smart. I'm heading 50 kilometers east towards Homs and Leptis Magna. There's some Roman ruins to see there. I think there's a museum, a mosaic museum on the way. Exciting. Day 2 of solo travel in Libya. All set. I've drenched my clothes. My face though is just sweat. Time to hit the road. يوم سعيد. إن شاء الله. شكرا. Got a 2-kilometer hike up this sandy track now, which I'm a bit nervous of after my fall yesterday. Beautiful resort. And then look at this. Must have been part of the fighting. I was hoping for a nice cool drink in a cafe, but not this morning. I do, however, have some very nice jam tart left over from my hosts and some tepid water, so not too bad. I'll sit in the shade for a little bit. Taken a side route to Villa Selene, a museum, a villa with amazing mosaics. I do this fully aware that there's a decent chance it's going to be locked. Yep. It's another case of I'm happy they're protecting it, but I'm simultaneously sad that I'm not seeing it. Just contemplating the feasibility of hopping the fence when I've spotted there's a security guard. He's mid-prayer right now, so just let him finish and then get his attention and see if I can visit. ممكن okay. Okay, shukran. He pointed towards the town of Homs, something about police, and then he did the international gesture of signing something or paperwork. So maybe when I go to Homs and Leptis Magna, you can arrange a visit back here from there. Maybe. The water looks absolutely gorgeous here. Not nearly so much plastic bobbing around as there was near Tripoli. At least I can enjoy a beach picnic here in the shade. I've got a can of warm ginger beer, a squashed croissant and some date bars. Hello. Not going to miss this opportunity. Oh, nice and cold. Very cold. Whoa. Funduk with the words tourist hotel deleted out. Assalamu alaikum. أنا واحد. أريد.
Where are you from?
أنا من إنجلترا.
إنجلترا.
نعم.
Women no hotel.
No women.
No women hotel.
Okay. No women at this hotel, which used to be a tourist hotel. Bother. It's pretty annoying because that hotel was very convenient for Leptis Magna. فندق.
No, فندق Libya.
Libda. Okay.
طول.
Yeah.
يسار. Left.
Okay.
Left.
It's pretty annoying after a tough day of cycling to have to slog about to find a hotel that accepts women. The other hotel near the Leptis Magna site was closed by the look of things, so I'm having to come back into the town, try to find some sort of tourist hotel or family hotel. Also is the Funduk, but I also noticed the English has been removed. This is on the map as a hotel. أريد واحد غرفة من فضلك.
You.
Yes.
You for
Just
Just you.
Yes.
Okay.
Chocolate. He's making a call. This is all to be expected, I suppose, after my experience in Algiers. Hopefully they will let me stay here. Yay, and it's a beautiful room. It's their last one, so I guess it's a bit fancier. Got a little seating area here, 2 beds, air conditioning, a fridge, if that works. I'll be stoked. Shower, toilet. It's a bit more expensive than I would like, but I've been staying in homestays and beggars can't be choosers at this point, so nice. Check out this luxury. It comes with cold water. We've even got a sea view.